Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can treat this kind of skin problem at home, how you can go from that to this. Okay, let's get started. So to prepare the treatment, all you need is to get rice flour. You can make your own rice flour if you don't have. All you have to do is to get your own rice, wash it and sun dry it. After sun drying it, you go ahead and blend it. After blending it, then you sieve it. So I'll be using rice flour because it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant substance that help prevent skin aging, reduce the harmful effect of UV rays, and also promote skin lightening. So after that, the next thing you need to add is baking powder. Baking powder also helps to exfoliate the skin. It helps to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin. So go ahead and add some amount of the baking powder. And after that, you also go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Turmeric is also very good to the skin. Turmeric helps to clear acne on the skin. It helps to lighten hyperpigmentations on the skin. There are a lot of skin benefits of it. It also helps to reduce dark circles and also reduce stretch marks on the skin. So after turmeric, the next thing you have to add is to go ahead and squeeze in some amount of lemon into it. Lemon has an astringent properties which helps to lighten the skin. So go ahead and squeeze in about 1 tablespoon of lemon into it. Lemon can also help to reduce the signs of dark spots. It will help to diminish the signs of your dark spot, like fade away dark spots. So after adding lemon, the next thing you need to add is honey. Honey helps to moisturize the skin. Honey helps to lock in moisture to the skin. Honey also helps to do a lot on the skin, like it helps to reverse the signs of wrinkles and the premature aging. So after adding honey, the next thing you need to add is rose water. If you don't have rose water, you can go ahead and add normal water or apple cider vinegar. Okay, so the substitute for rose water is normal water or apple cider vinegar. So after adding it, now you go ahead and mix it. When you are mixing and you find out that the consistency is still thick, go ahead and add more until you get like not so watery consistency. Okay, until you get a consistency that looks like this, then it's ready to be used. I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can actually use this treatment for maximum result, for maximum effect, how you can use it on your skin to get rid of acne on the skin, get rid of dark spots on the skin, get rid of hyperpigmentations on the skin. But before I go ahead and show you how you use this, let's go and make oil that you can apply on your skin after scrubbing your skin with this treatment. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this oil you'll apply on the places you scrubbed. First, you need a very clean container. The oil you will use is any carrier oil. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using Johnson baby oil. That's what I'll be using. You can use any carrier oil of your choice. You can use whatever oil that is suitable to your skin. Feel free to use it, be it jojo oil, almond oil, any oil at all. Okay, so after adding the oil, the next thing you need to add is tea tree oil. This tea tree oil is a very powerful oil. This tea tree oil helps to fight bacteria on the skin. It also helps to treat some certain skin conditions like acne, itchiness, and oily skin. But one thing you should know is that you should never apply tea tree oil directly on your skin without diluting it, because it's a very powerful oil. Before you use it on your skin, make sure that you dilute it before using it on your skin. Otherwise, if you apply it directly on your skin without diluting it, it's going to burn your skin. Yes, so that's how powerful it is. Go ahead and add some drops of it into the oil. Then also go ahead and add some drops of vitamin E oil into it. You can use any vitamin E oil. If you have the ones in the tube, you can use it. If you have the ones in the bottle, in fact, any vitamin E oil can serve. And after that, you mix it very well. After mixing, is ready to be used. Okay. So guys, here I have the treatment with me. I'll be showing you how you can use this treatment for maximum result. So if you have acne on your back, if you have acne on your lap, if you have acne on your face, this treatment will help a lot. All you have to do is, after preparing it, as you all can see, it's like scrub. This is in form of scrub. Go ahead and get cotton wool. Take small amount of it, then use it to scrub your back. Use it to scrub your back, like place it on the places you have the issues, be it on your back, be it on your thighs, be it on your face. Use it to scrub. Just scrub it very well. As you're scrubbing, you're getting rid of dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. You are unclogging your pores. All the builds up. As you're scrubbing, you will be getting rid of them. So go ahead and scrub it very well. Scrub, scrub, scrub. And after scrubbing, you go ahead and take your shower. That is if you applied it on your back. That is if you scrubbed your back. In fact, after scrubbing it, be it on your face, on your towels, on your back, anywhere you scrubbed, wash it out with lukewarm water. And after washing it out with lukewarm water, then you go in with this oil. Go in with this oil. Apply this oil on the places you scrubbed. Okay? Apply this oil and leave it there. You don't need to wash it out. So this will help to limit the acne. This will help to clear the dark spot. You know, after scrubbing, you opened up your pores. That means your skin is ready to receive any treatment you will apply on it. So after scrubbing it, go ahead and apply this one. Okay, guys? So this is how you can treat acne, dark spots that you have on your back, on your towel, or on your face. Using this treatment with consistency will help to diminish the signs of those dark spots, will help to reduce the acne. You will begin to see them reducing with time, of course. With consistency, of course, you will begin to see changes on your skin, on your back, wherever you're having the issues. You will begin to see changes. How do you store this? For the scrub, I will advise just make small amounts that you can finish at once usage or twice usage. And as for the oil, you can always leave it on your kitchen counter, okay? You don't need to put it in the fridge. You don't need to store it. Just make the oil. Just make sure you put it in a tight container. Cover it and leave it on your kitchen counter. Whenever you finish scrubbing, go ahead and get your oil and apply on the places you scrubbed. But as for the scrub, make the one you can use at once usage, maximum twice usage, okay? So that is it, guys. This is how you can treat acne on your back, on your thighs, or on your face. With consistency, this will help a lot. Thank you all for watching this video. If you've watched to this point, please kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye.